Start by putting 2 pumps of essential oil in your palms and warming it up. Gently press the oil onto your face and neck. Next, we're going to do a warm-up. Opening the Acupoints, we'll start at the center of the eyebrows, moving to the start of the eyebrow, the middle, the end, and then the temple. The outer corner of the eye, below the eye, slightly lower, and then back to the inner corner. Continue with the side of the nose, the corner of the mouth, and the chin. Move on to the other side. The start of the eyebrow, the middle, the end, and then the temple. Next, move to the outer corner of the eye, below the eye, slightly lower, and then back to the inner corner. The side of the nose, corner of the mouth. Now we move on to the Gua Sha. First, we'll scrape the forehead. Start from the center of the eyebrows. Use 2 fingers width to move upward along what is known as the bladder meridian and then the gallbladder meridian. Swipe the whole forehead 4 times in total. This motion helps reduce the formation of frown lines and forehead wrinkles. Next, we start swiping the eyebrows. Start from the start of the eyebrow, swipe along the eyebrows to the temple. Repeat 8 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Use this position of the scraping tool, set it to the skin, start pushing up from the nasolabial fold to the end of the eyebrow. This does a lift of the face. If you have acne, remember to avoid it and scrape the area gently. Repeat 8 times. 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step is to scrape the upper lip. Repeat 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step is to scrape the lower lip 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next step, switch to the curved edge of the Gua Sha tool. Scrape along the nasolabial fold, up to the temple, then behind the ear, then down along the lymphatic pathway. Do this 10 to 15 times. This action lifts the upper cheeks, improving nasolabial folds and marionette lines. 7, 8, 9, 10. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now for the neck area. Locate the platysma muscle and swipe upwards, doing 15 strokes on each side. If you've been looking down at your phone frequently, this muscle can become tight and compressed. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Twice a week to look radiant.